Welcome to Puerto Rico.
We're going to do our own little tour today in Puerto Rico.
Here's a few maps of the places that we visited on our tour in December 2023 of San Juan, Puerto Rico. After leaving the ship, inside the terminal is where you pick up all the tours. And then leaving the terminal and going left out of the doors are some vendors. And then with the bay on our left, we walked past the vendors where we saw the Sheraton and found the Walgreens store and Señor Frogs. We continued west on to Plaza Darceña, and the pink building is La Casita des Rones, rum bar. Pretty fountains, food, and other vendors here. We continued to Plaza de Hostos, named after Eugenio Maria de Hostos. He was known for his advocacy for many things, including Puerto Rican independence. Walking in Old Town, we went over many blue bricks or cobblestones made of adoquine, furnace slag. They were used as ballast on ships brought from Europe. The blue color is from age and moisture. Since we were here at the beginning of December, we saw Christmas decorations all around. So cool to see parts of the wall that surrounded the city. We walked down El Paseo de la Princesa, a very pretty park-like walk that takes us past gardens. We have maps of the areas too. Here's Jardín de la Princesa. It's just beautiful here. It's just so cool to see the old parts of the wall. The day we were there, they were cleaning the walls here. It would have been nice to see this lit up at night. Then we continued on past Princesa Gastro Bar, a famous restaurant. And then on to the Puerto Rican Tourism Building, which had really nice clean bathrooms. And it used to be an old prison from 1837 to 1960. Turismo, Puerto Rico. And on to Reyes Fountain, which was gorgeous, and so were the views of the bay from this location. We took in the views for a little while here, and it gave us a view of the remaining walkway toward La Puerto de San Juan, the San Juan Gate. This stands tall and commanding, the Puerto de San Juan, the Red Gate. Here we are going through the gate. It's nice and cool in there. Lots of people. There was tours going on. It was very echoey inside the gate area. We took a left out of the San Juan Gate and headed up a street that is known for terrific views, looking back toward the bay. We were definitely getting our cardio workout that day. This is where we saw the statue La Rogativa. This is where this stands, representing the procession held by a bishop and the town's women that was said to have turned around a British invasion in 1797. And there's a orange tabby lounging around on the statue. Beautiful views. We then passed by Casa Rosa, a beautiful pink building facing the bay. And in addition to the fantastic views and cardio workout along the route headed to El Morro Fort, I was interested in seeing Parque de los Gatos, Cat Park. This is where street cats are taken care of by volunteers of Save a Gato. I've read they use TNR program to manage the population, and I love cats. We saw a few of the felines hanging out. And then El Morro's beautiful green lawns and views. This is a favorite site for us. There's just too many things to describe once we start walking around in here. You just really have to see it for yourself. The history is interesting. The views are beautiful. There was a nice breeze that day. It was pretty windy, actually. But this is a must-see in San Juan. Have to watch your step here. Very pretty. Very old. We went on to our favorite stop, which is the Choco Bar Cortez at 210 Calle de Francisco, San Juan. Everything on the menu has chocolate in it, even the grilled cheese sandwich, which was awesome, by the way. There's an art gallery, I think on the second or third floor, which we didn't visit this time. They have very clean bathrooms and options of beautiful chocolate bars to take home. We were honored to meet the founder this visit. Every time we were in San Juan, we make it a point to stop in. Elaine was graciously agreed to take a photo with us and brought us a Coquito Cortez, which was yummy. Choco Bar is located at San Justo Street and San Francisco Street. It is the yellow front down the street there. After leaving Choco Bar, we went to La Fortaleza and San Jose to the famous Barrachina to check out where the first pina colada was created in 1963. We were full, so we didn't try the classic drink. We did go inside and look around. It's actually a really nice little spot. Again, a beautiful building inside. It was actually an open air. Then we continued on La Fortaleza Street to see the governor's house. and check out the famous street that is typically decorated with, we saw no umbrellas, lights, or any decorations during our visit. And then we took the Calle de Cristo to Parque de las Palomas, Pigeon Park. I did not want the pigeons to land on me, so we stood outside. But we did meet a very famous dog model, which I do not remember the name. They gave me a card and everything, but this was several years ago. And I was able to pose with the dog. Just didn't want the birds landing on me. There's the dog. Shout out if anybody knows who that dog is. Please tell me. So we walked down Calle de la Fortaleza to Calle de San Justo. It's just a super place to walk around. Really nice vendors. This lady said hello to us when we walked by. Told us which street we were on because we looked a little lost. The sidewalks are very narrow and you have to go single file on some of them. You have to watch your footing. Some of the pavers are missing or broken. Very pretty streets. So we took Calle Justo back toward the water in the port. On our way, we saw some of these beautiful buildings. Some diamond stores. A lot of the stores were closing down too. Just such pretty architecture. There's a building that has beautiful tiles. I think it's off here to the left, this green building. Yes, beautiful. And then this red building, we saw a musician playing here a couple years ago. Fantastic. And then we ended up back near La Casita where we began our tour earlier in the day. It's over there. There it is. And the little Plaza de Sana. And then we ended up heading back toward the ship. We were looking for a drugstore, and I know there was a Walgreens here, but there's also a CVS on this street. It was a super day. We were there pretty late. Nice day. How was our day here today? We got to see a lot of things. It was pretty warm, but we really enjoyed it. And again, I've never been here this late before, so the sun is starting to go down. It's cooling off. It's really comfortable to walk around right now. So, hold on, let's see. How was your today?
Very good. Had a good time.
And what was your favorite part?
I liked meeting the owner of the
Choco Bar.
Factory deal.
Yeah.
It was just really cool. She was really nice.
And probably because we've been there for so many times that it was nice to meet her.
Yeah, it was. It was really enjoyed it. Walking around the port and all that. I think this is an awesome city. I love it. All the architecture is beautiful.
Same here. Awesome. Hey, you guys, what do you think? What do you like best about Puerto Rico today?
Chocolate. Meeting another woman, actually.
Which woman?
My chocolate millionaire.
Oh. She was pretty awesome. It was really nice of her. She bought us a drink. Here's our beautiful ship.
Venimos, si could not